Have you ever paused to consider the sheer magnitude of a hippo's presence in its environment? At first glance, these hefty creatures seem like nothing more than oversized, water-loving mammals, blissfully lounging in rivers and lakes. But beneath that seemingly simple exterior lies a fascinating truth. Hippos are among the most impactful architects of the African ecosystem. They are more than just adorable giants. They are true ecosystem engineers. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible role hippos play in shaping African landscapes. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. Let's kick things off with their grazing habits. Picture this. A single adult hippo can consume up to 40 kilograms of grass in just one night. That's an astonishing amount of vegetation. This intense grazing isn't just a dietary choice. It has profound implications for the surrounding landscape. As hippos munch away, they create and maintain what are known as hippo lawns. These short grass areas are not just a result of their voracious appetites. They become vital habitats for other grazing animals, providing them with the perfect feeding grounds. It's like hippos are nature's lawn mowers, keeping the grass trimmed and preventing bush encroachment. This maintenance work is crucial for many species that rely on open spaces to thrive. But the hippo's influence doesn't stop at the land. It spills over into the water as well. When these magnificent creatures take a dip in the river, they bring along something quite unexpected: their dung. Yes, hippo poop is a significant player in African water systems. As they defecate in the water, they introduce massive amounts of organic matter, which dramatically alters the water chemistry. This influx of nutrients, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus, can lead to algal blooms. Now, while that might sound alarming at first, it's actually a critical component of the ecosystem's balance. The nutrients support a variety of aquatic life, creating a thriving underwater world that might otherwise struggle to survive. Let's take a moment to appreciate the role of hippos in nutrient cycling. These gentle giants act like living conveyor belts, transferring nutrients between land and water. They graze on grasses at night, and then during the day, they immerse themselves in the water. This unique behavior creates a fascinating cycle of nutrient transfer. One particularly interesting element in this cycle is silicon. Hippos consume grasses rich in silicon and then excrete it into the water. Why is this important? Well, silicon is essential for many aquatic organisms, especially diatoms, tiny algae that play a pivotal role in the aquatic food web. By moving silicon from land to water, hippos are essentially supporting the foundation of entire ecosystems. Now, let's delve into the habitats that hippos create. As they navigate through shallow waters, they carve out channels and depressions, affectionately dubbed hippo highways by scientists. These pathways can be several meters wide and deep, and during dry seasons, they often become the only source of water for various animals. The small pools that form as hippos wallow serve as critical microhabitats, providing refuge for fish and other aquatic life during arid periods. In wetland areas, the paths they create help maintain water flow and prevent stagnation, ensuring that the ecosystem remains vibrant and alive. But what about the other species that share this environment? The presence of hippos can have a mixed bag of effects on local wildlife. On one hand, fish populations can thrive in hippo-modified habitats. The pools and channels they create provide shelter and breeding grounds, and some fish species have even evolved to flourish in these hippo-dominated ecosystems. On the flip side, high densities of hippos can lead to over-enrichment of water bodies, which may result in oxygen depletion and, in extreme cases, fish kills. It's a delicate balance, and hippos play a pivotal role in maintaining it. On land, the grazing habits of hippos can create ideal habitats for certain bird species. Water birds, in particular, often utilize hippo lawns as feeding and nesting grounds. Even crocodiles find value in the channels carved out by hippos, using them as travel routes and hunting grounds. The interconnectedness of these relationships is a beautiful reminder of how every species, no matter how big or small, contributes to the intricate web of life. As we wrap up this exploration of hippos and their significant impact on African ecosystems, it's clear that these creatures are truly remarkable. From shaping grasslands to influencing water chemistry, their effects are far-reaching and vital for the health of their environment. The next time you see a hippo lounging in the water, take a moment to appreciate the complex role it plays in maintaining the balance of African ecosystems. They're not just large, semi-aquatic mammals, they are key players in a much larger narrative. If you found this information as fascinating as I do, I encourage you to like and share this video. And don't forget to leave a comment telling us what other animal impacts you'd like to learn about. Remember, in nature, every species plays a crucial role, no matter how unexpected it might seem. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and let's continue to celebrate the incredible wonders of our natural world together.